Oh no. Oh no! Okay. Oh, it just keeps getting worse. Oh, it just keeps getting worse.
Feet up on the dash.
Hey, it's Mads, and welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you? I am so happy to have you. Hold, please. I'm hydrated because we have our work cut out for us this week, friends. But first things first, I have a big announcement. Drum roll, please. Jordan and I are moving. And not only are we moving, we have made the decision to move back to our hometown. We've lived on the coast for the last 6 years, and we love it, and it's amazing. But we are actually going to be moving in with my grandma. Moving into my grandma's house with her. There's a whole bunch of reasons why, and we can talk about that another time. I have enough to do today as it is. If you guys have any questions, please put them down in the comment. I want to do like a moving back home / like living in a generation or making the decision to live in a multi-generational home. I want to do like a little Q&A or answer whatever questions you guys may have about the whole thing. So leave those questions down below and I'll make sure to like collect them for another video. But we actually are moving at the end of the month. It just worked out that made the most sense for Jordan changing jobs and for my grandma, and for me, like this wise, it just made so much more sense. So I need to start the process of undoing all of the like renter upgrades we made to this apartment. Before I jump super far into this video, I do just want to say a quick thank you and hello to all the new subscribers to this channel. I've recently had a big bump in subscribers, so if you are new or you are old, if you are new or you are vintage to this channel, hi, how are you? I am Mads. I am so happy you're here. Thank you for subscribing. And if you are watching this video and I haven't bullied you into subscribing yet, now's the time. This is the official me bullying you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post new videos every Sunday. Anyway, getting into it. Let me just pull up my note, my to-do list here on everything that needs to be done. So the first thing on my list is changing out all of the fixtures we've changed out. I have a shower head, the sink, and a light fixture to change out. So those need to be taken care of. We do also have a tushy set up into the toilet, but that will be like one of the last things I move because I cannot live without my bidet. I love my bidet. I will not be living without it for 2 weeks. So that's gonna stay. I'll switch that out. And then we also have to tackle that closet door makeover we did at the very beginning of this channel. Those doors need to come down. They need to be repainted. The trim needs to be taken off of them, and I need to rehang them. I have the window that we remade on this channel. You know, the window that like you're in front of right now that's right behind me. That window needs to be like undone, and we have the whole kitchen. The whole kitchen needs to be undone as well, with all the peel and stick, with the knobs that we have to take out. Oh, I also have the peel and stick on the bottom cabinets, so that's like a lot of removing in that area. And I think that's it. I think that's like all the big stuff that needs to be undone. Whew, okay. I also have a list in my book. Can you tell I'm very much organized and list orientated? So without further ado, let's start tackling. No leaks. Do you see how terrible this is? Oh, I hated this shower head. Okay, excuse the running shower noise. The shower runs forever after you turn it off, so it's gonna probably run for the next like 10 minutes. Don't know why. It's an old apartment. I'm gonna go in with a knife and some Goo Gone on the sticky part of the shower attachment here. And this gets it off every time for me. I never have a problem using this, but we'll see. I hope. This isn't the easy project, so I hope this goes easy for me. Oh yeah, it's gonna come right off. Okay, perfect. I like to spray some Goo Gone on the top and then get in there with my knife and work the Goo Gone down so that it gets in there, you know? Is it weird that I love the smell of Goo Gone? I don't know, that like citrus chemical smell. Ta-da! Oh yeah, there's nothing left on this. I do need to deep clean this tub. It's on my list. I got this shower head on Amazon. I'll link it down below. I think I linked it when I put it up too. Now it's time to work on these doors. We made over these doors on the channel, and I don't know if you can tell, but I may or may not have been popping off the trim to do another project when we made over that coffee table, and I used the trim. I had popped the trim off this because I wasn't into this anymore. So I'm like, half my work's already done. Now I just have to work on popping off the rest of it. Done. Also, no judging me for what this closet looks like on the inside because it is no longer organized or clean. Should I be taking these outside to do this? Yes, but I don't have it in me to walk up and down those stairs a million times, so I'm just gonna do it in here and live with the mess I'm gonna make. I'm going in with my knife again. This is the star of the show, really, this little butter knife. And I'm just gonna scrape away the wood glue that I used, like the wood filler from the edges, and then any bits of hot glue that are stuck in the center. I only applied this with hot glue and then like wood filler on the edges to like seal it, so this is gonna be like a really easy cleanup, and it shouldn't leave any marks or lines or anything. These doors were white when we moved in, and I don't have like white paint, but I do have primer, so that's what I'm going to use. I'm just going to go over it with probably 2 coats of primer to cancel out the green roller to do this. And I'm doing it standing up in the hallway, you know. A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do, okay? While the doors are drying, I'm going to tackle this window. I don't hate how this window turned out, but I will say that the technique we used with the electrical tape was just like, it didn't hold up very well. Whatever was on the inside actually really did. I've cleaned it a couple of times, and like the edges are peeling and stuff like that, but the stuff that, anything that was exposed to the outdoors, rain and stuff like that, did peel away. And I will also say that this rod, this tension rod, I think just, I should have sized up. Instead of getting the perfect size to fit, I should have got the next one because it falls a lot. I also lost the trims with the command strips. I knocked it off one day and I just never put it back up. So there's that. But other than that, I think this worked well, like temporarily. And I really like the look and the effect it gave, especially like adding these boxes at the top. But I don't know. I don't think I would ever do this technique again for any sort of like long-term solution, although it really, the cleanup is like super duper easy. Any of the like stuck on spots, I'm using my Goo Gone and it's coming right off really easily. Okay, my window is done, paint is drying. I have to tackle this light fixture. Honestly, I could do it by myself, but I don't want to and I don't have to. So hold please. Jordan! I need help.
Yeah.
Can you help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
I was just gonna stand on this.
Oh, sure.
That's fine. This is fine. I really think it's just like a matter of, I don't remember.
Oh, you should watch your video.
Yeah, I should watch my own video, huh? Will you like hold this like up?
Buddy, I don't see you helped. Oh my goodness. Sir, I do not see you helping your mom out. Therefore, dinner will be delayed.
Okay. It's about to be free. All right.
We did it.
Yay! Okay, I think this is it. Let go. Go breaker. Bum 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 bum. Moment of truth. Light. 3, 2, 1. Yay!
Come on.
All right, it is the next day. I was able to get the doors done last night. They look great. They're white. Amazing. It is time to tackle this kitchen. I also still love this lamp. I'm taking this to my grandma's house. I love my little lamps. She'll love it too. She'll learn to love the little lamp and she'll have the little lamp life. I'm sad to undo it, but I'm also excited to see how it stood up. I will say there is like one bit on a corner that is like lifting, and I think that is mostly user error. I was really sleepy by the time I was working on that corner, so I think I didn't do it right, but that is lifting a little bit. But other than that, it's held up really great. I've been able to wash the black, and everything has worked out really amazing. I'm a little bit nervous it's going to be sticky because it hasn't been on for that long. And in my experience, like the longer the contact paper is on, the easier it is to remove. And it hasn't been that long. So we'll see. I do have my Goo Gone with me, and I do like to break out a blow dryer for this because it does help. Do you guys remember the ugly green that was under here? Oh my goodness, I don't miss this green at all. And the wood grain looked so pretty. I mean, it didn't look like butcher block, but like if you're just looking, like, you know what I mean? It definitely improved the vibes, that's for sure. It's just a lot of pulling. It's not so bad though. And none of the countertop is coming up, so that's good too. This stuff is nice. I'll relink it for you guys down below. I bought it just off Amazon, like most things like this. There wasn't anything at my local hardware store, which is sad. I tried to do that, but when I can't, Amazon it is. Oh no. Oh no! Oh. Okay. Oh, it just keeps getting worse. Oh, it just keeps getting worse. I just ripped off all the paint on that front piece. All of the paint. Oh no. It's okay. It'll be okay. I'll just have to paint them. I'll just have to paint this. I have the color. It's fine. I'm trying not to panic because I can't not take this stuff off. Oh no. And I will say this this adhesive is, I don't know, my skin doesn't like it. Is all this paint gonna come off? Okay. It is. Oh, and there's more. I was thinking about touch-up painting this anyway, so I'm just gonna keep going. That's all I can do is keep going. All right, friends, this is it. Turns out I'm gonna have to do some more work before I know I'm gonna be able to get my deposit back, but I still feel very successful. Like seeing these spaces back to how they were, I definitely made the right choice in doing the makeovers while we lived here. Before I sign off, I do want to give you guys like a quick, preview of what, not preview, but a glimpse into what this channel is going to look like. Moving in with my grandma. She has lived in the same house since she was 17. It needs some love. And this channel will be dedicated to not only bringing life back into her home, but also our lives together. Incongruent with my projects that will still remain on this channel, I will be launching a vlog channel. The first video will be the first Wednesday in September, and that will be my moving vlog. So be ready for that. A vlog channel will be released, and that channel will be mainly focused on our life living in a multi-generational home with the 4 cats and what that looks like, and a lot of behind the scenes, a lot of thrifting, a lot of life of me and my grandma, because she's gonna be home with me now. It won't just be me around, you will be seeing her, which is very exciting. So I hope you guys are going to love it. I don't know exactly what it's gonna look like right now, but I do have the rest of the year planned out for videos, and they're really cool. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you liked this video, please give it a like. If you liked me, please consider subscribing. I'd be happy to have you here. This little channel is growing, and I only hope it grows more and more because it's become my favorite thing to do. So I will see you guys next week. Oh, let me grab you a cat. What do you think about that, Can you say hi, my love? Oh, he says, I'm moving. I've never not lived on the coast. He's never been to the interior. He's gonna love it. He's getting a catio. Okay, bye guys.